Hi students, teachers and dear parents. How are you? I hope you all are watching my videos and getting lots of benefit from them. VTALKS Media Communications is very happy to launch another series on geometry. These video tutorials will really help students from State Board and CBSE. The students who are dwelling in 6th, 7th and 8th standard will get lots of benefits from this video tutorials. In today's video, we will discuss about Incentre. We know Incentre is a point of concurrence of all the angle bisectors of a triangle. So let's understand the process or the quick method to draw an incentre of a triangle.
Hi students, today in this video we are going to draw an incentre of a triangle. So let's start this video. So I have a colored pencil, then a scale and two colored papers. So let's draw a triangle. Let's draw a triangle. It's a very simple trick that you can adopt in your classroom. And you yourself can adopt this. Let's draw the three. So in this way we have drawn a triangle. Let's cut this triangle with the help of scissor. We have to cut the triangle in such a way that no vertex of the triangle is broken down. So it must be as. So in this way we have cut the triangle now. Now we know the incentre is the point of concurrence of all the angle bisectors of the three angles of a triangle. So now the next in this step we will just make an angle bisector of this angle. So let's just fold, have a fold from this corner. Let's overlap this side to this side so that we will get exactly half of the angle, this angle, okay, this angle, isn't it? So in this way, let's overlap this, overlapping this, we will get the half of the, yeah, in this way this side is completely overlapped with this side and we will get here you will get the, so here in this way this angle is bisected and this angle has been divided into two equal parts. This is one half and this is another half. So this line drawn from this vertex is exactly making two halves of this angle. So this is an angle bisector of this vertex or of this angle. Now just make the fold. Now here, so we got the angle bisector of this angle. Now let's bisect this angle. So the same process again, overlap this side exactly on this side, okay. In this way, this side also, here we get another. So the angle bisector of this angle is here. This is the angle bisector of this angle, and this way or this line is the angle bisector of this angle. Now let's divide this, the third angle of this triangle. Let's divide. Again the same procedure. Fold it from right exactly from the middle of this, such that the opposite sides of the triangle overlap each other. Yeah, from here. Exactly. In this way you got the angle bisector of this angle as well. So now if you can see, so this line is the angle bisector of this angle, this line is the angle bisector of this angle, and this line is the angle bisector of this line. So let's draw it by different colors. Okay, I'll have another color. Okay, let's draw it with this one. Yeah, here. Now let's draw this angle bisector from this point and the angle bisector from this. Yeah. Now if you observe this carefully, so here this point you will get, so this is the angle bisector of this angle, this ray is the angle bisector of this angle, and this ray is the angle bisector of this angle. So if you observe all the angle bisectors, okay, let's give it a name. These all are the angle bisectors of the triangle, and if you have observed that all the angle bisectors of a triangle are meeting at the same point. So this point is called as the incenter. This point is called as the incenter of the triangle. Okay. Now let's draw a perpendicular from the incenter. Perpendicular from the incenter. Let's draw a perpendicular. For drawing a perpendicular bisector from this, we will draw perpendicular bisector from this point. So here we have a perpendicular bisector, and now measure the distance from this point. Measure this point from this point to this point exactly. So here we can draw, in this way we can draw a circle. If you observe minutely, we will get an incenter. Yeah, in this way we get an incenter. So this is exactly the process. So in this way we got an incenter. So let's revise what did we do in this activity. Friends, we cut a circle, we cut a triangle, and after that we just fold from the middle of every angle, and we got an angle bisector of every angle. After that we just draw a perpendicular from the incenter. This point is called as the incenter, and then we drew a circle considering IH, the perpendicular point, and we considered it as a radius, and then we draw a circle. So in this way, this is a very easy trick how you can get the incenter. Here in this way we have to